How to find good wholesalers for dropshipping, thinking that this is the hardest task. For one thing, I'm gonna say, guys, don't worry about all these potential problems in the long term. Don't worry about taxes. Don't worry about company setup. All these problems can be solved because you think about it. I've done it. I'm not special in any way, shape, or form. I don't have a fucking 200 IQ or whatever, fucking good IQ. I don't even know that shit, right? I got 5 GCSEs. Basically, I almost just didn't get through high school. Like, I don't give a fuck about this shit. Like, my point is that everything can be solved, right? If I've done it, you guys can do it, right? It's not hard. And in terms of the actual good wholesale stuff, like, finding good wholesalers is very easy. Finding good people that do drop shipping orders is not much harder, but it's harder. But good wholesalers is not very difficult because you just bounce them off each other, check their reviews, get referrals. That's very simple. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.